Hi, I'm Brian Nathanson from Clarity Product Management, and today we will be looking at benefit plans in ideas and custom investment types in the modern UX. What's new? We now have benefit plans available in the Financials module for ideas and custom investment types. The benefit plans in the Financials module has a subpage for displaying the benefit plans, the ability to create a new benefit plan by hitting the plus sign, generic grid capabilities to allow you to pick columns from the column picker, configure the filter or flyout, and save views. The views saved, again, are shared across projects, ideas, and the custom investment types financial module. Once you drill into the benefit plan details, there's breadcrumbs to display the specific benefit plan name, an actions menu that allow you to take the appropriate actions for that benefit plan, the ability to view or edit the time-scaled value data, options for what you can view for that particular plan, and then the common generic grid capabilities. The menu for the benefit plan details includes the actions that you can take, copy, delete, or export to CSV, and when you copy, you have the choice of copying it as is or choosing a different time frame. Now in this demonstration, we'll go ahead and show how to review benefit plans in the Financials module in Ideas and how to review the benefits plans in the Financials module in Custom Investment Types. So here we are looking at a set of ideas in the modern UX. So we're in the Ideas section, and if we go ahead and drill into one of these ideas, you'll see that we now have in our Financials module the Benefit Plans link. And so if I click on my benefit plans, I have the ability to add a new benefit plan, highlight this, and show the flyout of all of the fields for that particular benefit plan. I can configure this flyout to add additional details for that benefit plan. I can also add conversations about the benefit plan if I choose to do that. You can also filter your benefit plans by the selected fields that you want to use for benefit planning, as well as save your views. If I click into a particular plan, we get information about that plan. In this case, this is an architecture consolidation, and so we're looking at a couple of ways that we're reducing cost, either through lower data center costs that are kind of persistent over time, evenly distributed, and then reduced license costs that come up once a year whenever we were supposed to renew the licenses for the software that will be consolidated. Right? We also believe we'll get some net payment discounts because we are rolling this out and being able to make our payments faster. Okay, and so in this particular case, I can then group by my various subclasses, for example, if I wanted to see those different lines in the overall structure. I can highlight the columns and be able to get a summation down here at the bottom. If I clear out my group by, I can go ahead and pick which columns I'd like to see, including the actual benefit column, if I actually wanted to see what the actual benefits are for this particular plan. I can also go ahead and filter as well as save views for the information that's listed here. And in this case, I don't actually have any actual benefits realized, but if we know, for example, that we have only realized $200,000 in benefit, we can enter that information into the time series grid. Okay? And that allows us the opportunity to capture those benefits against our plan and do benefits realization. Okay? One thing I should point out about the benefit plan module is that it does not have to take dollars in the benefit and actual benefit metrics. Should you choose to use dollars or other currency here, you can then link it to a corresponding cost plan to get the calculated net present value or ROI. If you choose not to link the benefit plan, however, you can actually enter whatever units you'd like here, and it will not affect the overall planning process. Now, we also have introduced benefit plans in the custom investment types as well. So if I come on in to my business outcomes, which are one of my investment types. So if we come into our overall custom investment type here, we're looking at products, and we actually drill into our particular product. We can go into the benefit plans for that product and be able to get the same types of information. So again, I'm looking at the benefit plans submodule. I can add benefit plans by hitting the plus sign here. I can also go ahead and highlight this and see the information on the flyout with the various fields, configure the flyout to add any fields that I might want to add, and as well be able to save views and so forth. If I drill in, I get back the benefit detail, and I can see that in this case, this is already grouped into the various areas that we would want to be able to group them. But if I go ahead and remove that, we can see that you have the same types of information that we had before. And so in this case, we have information about the savings from the Google Cloud Platform SaaS operations, as well as other features that we intend to introduce. I should point out, none of these numbers are real. This is all demonstration data set up for that purpose. But the basic idea here is that you can now get that information and be able to manage benefits for your custom investment types, whether those are products, value streams, platforms, capabilities, or whatever terminology or nomenclature that your organization might use, and be able to track those benefits accordingly, either in monetary or time series non-monetary terms. And with that, that concludes the demonstration on benefit plans in ideas and custom investment types.